Here I have Porsche Panamera from 2017 and let me show you how to customize the voice control settings on this car in almost every Porsche cars. So at the very beginning, let's start by using this screen of Porsche system infotainment. Let's here use the left bar to navigate, and as you can see now you need to choose here the car icon. So let's just tap car. Under car you've got access to some settings. One of them is control. Let's tap control, and from the control you can use the down sections, and here one of them is system. So let's select here the system, the third option right here. As you can see here, you can choose one of the following sections. It could be date and time, units, but it could be also the voice control. So that's the place when we should be right now. Let's tap voice control. And as you can see here, you can customize the voice control by using two different features. One of them is short dialogue. As you can see, you can enable or disable this feature just by using this checkbox. What it does when this is turned on, the car's voice assistant becomes less chatty. Instead of giving you long, polite instructions or confirming your request with a full sentence, it will use very brief phrases or even just a simple beep. So it could be useful if you are just annoyed with this long, polite dialogues. You can choose this short dialogue. And the next one is help text. As you can see, I've got this enabled. You can enable this or disable by using this checkbox. And what it does, when this is on, the screen will display a list of suggested comments or examples while you are speaking. Why you should use it? It's very helpful if you aren't sure exactly what to say to the car. For example, if you say navigate to shop, but you don't you are not aware which shop, you are not sure where you should go, you will see the list and you will choose the exact place when you should be navigated. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.